Hi everyone, I'm Lydia and today I want to share with you another collage process video. It's always exciting to open a new envelope with collage material. Look at this nice collection of collage papers. Very nice. So sometimes I have an idea right away, but it often takes a while before I find a starting point. As you may know, I love to work with letters and words. I like the shapes of the letters and I like to transform the words into something new. Look at this nice paper here. It still looks very interesting the way it is folded. Such big letters are a good starting point. Let's see what we can do with it. I really like the contrast between the large letter fragments and the small letters. I like this abstract shape. It looks interesting with all these different size rectangles. This red abstract shape looks very interesting on its own, but I would like to use some more of the collage paper. Maybe this yellow piece here, it adds some variety to the background. And this transparent paper could work like a glaze and brings in a tiny bit of color variation. It's already a lot going on the right side of the collage, so we need something interesting on the left, only a bit. The focus should stay on the red figure. A little bit of black here. And now we need some more on the right side. That will help to guide the viewer's eye around the collage. Okay, I think this works well. So let's start gluing. Before I start gluing, I always make some pencil marks, so it's easier to find the right place for the collage pieces. As an adhesive, I use mud gel medium. It works very well for thin and thick papers. But you can use the glue you like or try out different types of glue to find out what you like. You don't have to work with mud gel medium. I want to extend the light transparent shape a bit, so it doesn't end in the middle of the red shape. Is there something missing in the upper right left corner? Should I add a little something? Maybe a tiny bit more black? Yes, I like this thin black line here on the left side. Okay, that's it. Now it's your turn. Grab some collage paper, play around, experiment, and find some inspiration for your next collage. Thank you so much for watching. Happy creating, and don't forget to have fun. Bye bye!